Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's Walmart, the link will be down below also in the description. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to find out what's inside. Here we go. Alright guys, this is a VANKYO Roku TV with Dolby Audio Performance H500R 1080p Roku TV Smart Projector 1080p built-in Roku native res is 1920 by 1080 autofocus Auto-Keystone dust-proof optical engine 330 lumens, high brightness. You can stream, Disney, Paramount Plus, Netflix, HBO Max, the Roku channel, YouTube TV. So you name it, this could handle it. Now it's perfect time because the football season's kicking. Well, it's been kicked off for a while now. Then hockey just started up, so a lot of good things to watch. And you can always watch the Roku stuff. I'm not sure. I never use Roku. I have an account and TV of theirs, but never explored it. So maybe one day this winter. But yeah, Christmas is around the corner, guys. So you might want to start making some purchases now, especially when they got deals going on. Especially on this one, be very impressed with the price they got these going at right now. Link is in the description. So you got the basic Roku VANKYO remote. Probably gonna need AAA. Oh, it comes with them, so that's a good thing. AAA batteries. It has a funny smell to it. Maybe it's a box. I got that power cord, packaging. Here's a little guy. Oh, it's super lightweight too, not heavy at all. Put that right there. And you got the trusty old manual, which it should be very easy to set up. You're gonna have to enter your Wi-Fi password and your Google. If you want to do the Google TV, I believe there's options for it. So there it is. There's power. Showed you guys. Remote time. Let's open that thing up. So yeah, definitely excited to see how this looks and how it operates. We'll do that at the end. So if you don't want to see this part, you can skip ahead. Yeah, this is a really nice one. And remove the IR cover. It's a good thing they got batteries. I don't feel like getting up right now. Oh, there we go. Got one out. Uh-oh, it's going away. Hold up. Here we go. Oh, we got volume on the side. Okay. So we are good to go. And now, let's take a look at this thing. Kind of wish it had like a handlebar, something to grip, but it's okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Look at that Dolby Audio speaker. Holy crap. Roku. So we remove that. Dang. There's a lens. This might be a good one, guys. Really impressed by that. Here's the back. You can have HDMI, USB, headset, reset key, IR, power button, power cord. I think it's the other side too, speaker. I mean, it's kind of heavy, but not too heavy. Alright. Now that is how you do it. So we're definitely going to be testing it out tonight. It's going to be a long night, guys. But it's worth it. We can just see how this looks. And you guys get to buy it. So all I got to do is click that link. You'll be good to go. Time to plug her in. Like I said, it has that auto key focus and everything, so we don't have to worry too much. I don't have to plug any devices in right now because, like I said, it has Roku already built in, ready to go. And you can plug up your Xbox, PS5, Switch, you name it. This thing can handle it. Retro gaming would be perfect for old school Blu-ray players, DVD players, maybe VHS. They got components for that. Let's turn off the lights. Pointing at the sky. Yeah, it doesn't have a stand, so I don't feel like going downstairs because that's where I have my projector screen. Okay, hold on. There we go. There we go. We got it going. I wouldn't recommend doing this, but for the video, it's good. Alright guys, right now it's checking for software update. I don't know if you could read it. I'll zoom in. Update available. Of course. Once it's done, it's gonna reset. But yeah, I like the feel of this controller. Really nice. It's zooming. Good Wi-Fi strength. Okay, coming up. And now we are starting up. I hope it doesn't have a jingle. I don't want to get copyrighted. But I won't be showing movies, like I said, because of the copyrights. But we might figure something out. Maybe watch my YouTube videos. See, right there's the auto key. So it's going to zoom in and zoom out for a second. And it's going to finally... Oh, there we go. Know where it's at. So, Roku account, I do got that. Activate with your QR code. I could do that. Okay, hold on. Now, since I logged into my Roku account and is updating the apps that I choose, like DirecTV, ESPN, Peacock TV, Prime Video, HBO Max, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. Holy moly, too many apps, guys. Just wish it was kind of like back in the old days. But it's cool, we got so many more options, we could watch more stuff, but just so much memory. Okay, it's gonna take a sec. Alright, we are moving now. And it's supercharging your system. Whoa. Oh, baby. Let's connect. HDMI. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. It's just like the TV. It has everything you need. See? There's my apps. Prime, Howdy, Roku. Oh, there's YouTube. Okay, we're gonna try YouTube. Oh yeah, a little throwback right there to the retro gaming days. Well, here we go. Rap Jam Volume 1. We'll take a minute to look into this quality. Like I said, this is 1080p, and we're just watching one of my old videos to test it out. So we shall see how it looks. I might have to pause you because this might take a minute.
Kind of looks like Ice Cube. Uh-oh. Rest in peace, Coolio. Queen Latifah. Yo-Yo. Flavor Flav. House of Pain. Jump Around. Warren G. Regulators. LL Cool J. Mama Said Knock You Out. Onyx Slam. Naughty by Nature. LL Cool J. Okay, hold on. There you go. This sounds really good. I'm just afraid because of the hip hop. It might be canceled, but it looks amazing too. Even probably better with the screen. Like I said, I didn't feel like going downstairs, but I do have a screen. But it looks good off the wall without any special paint, just a white wall. So there you have it. Check them out. Link's going to be in the description. Be safe. Have a good night.